Wednesday marked the third anniversary of the infamous Nirbhaya gang rape case. The 4 convicts of this gruesome crime were awarded death sentence, but the 5th one escaped with relatively light punishment of 3 years imprisonment, only because he was declared a juvenile at the time of the crime, though he was also equally guilty in the crime. Women and Child Development Minister Maneka Gandhi has said the bill recommending reducing the age of juvenile from 18 to 16 in the heinous crimes such as rape and murder will effectively curb such crimes. The bill, however, is pending in Parliament, stuck due to continuous disruption in the House.
अगर ये विधेयक पास होता राज्यसभा में तो ये छूटता नहीं, लेकिन अब ये भी छूटेगा और हज़ारों उसकी तरह छूटेंगे रोज़ के रोज़। और मैं कहती हूँ कांग्रेस पार्टी को कि ये ना मेरा बिल है ना आपका बिल है, आपने शुरू किया, मैंने उसको आगे ले लिया, लेकिन यह है देश का बिल। कोई याद नहीं रहेगा कि मेनका गांधी ने पास किया या आपने पास किया या किसी ने पास किया, बस कानून एक दफ़ा कानून बन गया तो सबके फायदे में है।
Delhi High Court had reserved the order on BJP leader Subramanian Swamy's plea against the release of the juvenile in the Nirbhaya gang rape case. Swamy has demanded that the juvenile be kept in the observation home. The juvenile has to be set free on 20th December as per the order of the Juvenile Justice Board. But the centre, while seeking postponement of his release date, has argued that certain important measures that need to be taken after his release are not yet in place. Referring to statistics, Maneka Gandhi asserted that in the past few years, alarming rise has been observed in the cases of rape and murder involving boys aged between 16 to 18 years. Hence, the minister said it is imperative to bring in a new law.
ये जो जुर्म है जो 16 से 18 साल के बच्चों ने किया है, सबसे ज़्यादा है बच्चों की कैटेगरी में। 78% यही लोग करते हैं यहाँ से, और उसमें बलात्कार तो बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, मर्डर भी बहुत बढ़ गए हैं। तो अब क्या होता है कि इस वक्त क्योंकि वो सारे के सारे बच्चे जो संगीन जुर्म सोच समझ करके करने वाले हैं, उनको सब कानून मालूम है।
In the 16th December Nirbhaya gang rape case, the age of the juvenile was less than 18 years at the time of the crime, and a case under Juvenile Justice Act was registered against him. He was sent to observation home for 3 years. DD News.